Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Supercell ID verification code not received to email. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is check to see if you are connected on a stronger Wi-Fi connection or not. Sometimes the weaker Wi-Fi connection or internet connection might be the reason that you are having the issue. So just simply switch over to stronger Wi-Fi. Then what you can do is just simply head over to your mail and then check to see if the verification code has been sent once again or not. So now sometimes due to various reasons the Supercell might also be sent to the spam options or spam folder. All you gotta do is just simply check on that, and then if there is the code, all you gotta do is simply copy the code and try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over and open up your game and then ask for verification code once again. If you receive the code, then all you gotta do is enter in the verification code and then tap on submit. Now for some reason if you don't receive the code once again, then go to the settings on your game and then select the option that says help and support. Tap on that, and once you do that, all you gotta do now is just briefly explain the problem that you are facing, and then the Supercell support team will help you out and fix your issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.